In this video I'm going to cover how to use the basic features of the add-in to send and process transactions in CardControl. So this add-in is located in GP. So if we open up GP, we're going to go ahead and log into our user account. Alright, once GP is loaded, we're going to go to the Sales module and select Sales Transaction Entry. Here is the add-in, and the add-in is separate from CardControl, and all it does is facilitate the information about the transaction and sending it to CardControl where the credit card transaction is actually processed. So here on the left side, let's change it to an order, and now if we select any order, we're able to initiate a transaction over here in the add-in. So for instance, we could click New Auth. Now what it's going to do is it's going to take the information from this transaction and it's going to send it to CC. You can see here we're prompted to go ahead and log into CardControl, which I will do. And then now we get our CC, our CardControl transaction entry screen. Now on this screen you could see that all of the information from the transaction that we were on, from the order that we were on in Dynamics is now available and filled out in this form in CardControl. So all we're left to do in CardControl is select a credit card number, which you can see I don't have any for this customer, so we're going to go ahead and enter one. Just a test card number. We're just going to go ahead and select an expiration date, enter a CVV2 code, and let's say amount of $200. So now we're going to, this is an authorization transaction, so now we're going to go ahead and process that transaction. Here's our response from the gateway. The transaction was approved. We're going to go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to take us back. And now you can see in the add-in we have the information about the transaction we just processed. So in CC, no transactions are actually created. The CC only facilitates transactions that are sent to it from the add-in here. So the add-in doesn't actually process credit cards, and CC doesn't originate any transactions. So they work hand in hand. So now let's say we're ready to capture this transaction, this authorization. I just go ahead and hit capture after I select it. CC is brought back up, and you can see all of the information has been filled in for us. We're going to go ahead and hit process transaction, and you can see now it's captured. Now back in GP, we're going to get a prompt saying that we need to take the amount we captured and add it to the amount received here. So that's kind of the basis for using the add-in to create and process a transaction in CardControl.